Okay, level 6, we are going to begin with week number 5. Hello, today we are going to work on week 5 for level 6. You are going to scroll down to week 5, click on the image. For week 5, we are going to work on passive voice, verb and noun, and we are going to do a reading. You are going to scroll down, click on explanation. You are going to watch a YouTube video that is about half a minute, and it's called
Good grammar and spelling are important,
okay?
But if you want to write...
Then you are going to open the PDF with an explanation of the passive voice. Here is the active voice, and here is the passive voice, okay? Make sure you read all of the PDF. See the difference in the verbs. Okay. After that, you are going to practice. Click on Start. Click on the attempt and answer these questions. Once you are done with that, you will begin Lesson 2 on passive voice online reading. Click on Online Practice for the British Council Active and Passive Voice Beginning Level. Read the explanation. Here are the examples, and you are going to click on Active and Passive Voice. Do this exercise. Start. Don Quixote was written in 1986. Then do voice 2, voice 3. Scroll down. Do active and passive voice 4, active and passive voice 5, active and passive voice 6, and the last one, active and passive voice 7. Then you are going to click on reading. You are going to read Surf the Store and answer the questions. The last lesson for week 5 is the verb and noun forum. Open the PDF. Here we have the explanation. Then you are going to do the practice. It's taking a little while. And then at the end, you are going to do the forum. You are going to look for your group here. And then write the forum. And that is everything you need to do for week number 5, level 6.